Hey everybody, so I'm going to be working on our construction project today. We are going to be adding 70 headlocks. The headlocks are actually being made right now. Concrete's supposed to come next week. Explain what we're doing a little bit. We're constantly needing more headlocks, more pins for more groups. We do boarding for heifers that are in embryo export. We'll get into that another day, but right now we need to make more pins with headlocks. So my plan was to open up this barn. This barn, the base of it was built in 1968. So you can see what I had to do to open this up so we can drive through it with skid loaders. Just moved the post over, which would have been fine. There's going to be a roof over this part, so there'll be another header board. I'm just concerned about this wall. If it would have all looked like this, I probably wouldn't have thought about it. Probably wouldn't have worried about it, but a couple spots. It's hollow at the bottom. Built in 1968. Just, I don't want to have to worry about it. So we're going to double it up, and then it'll never be an issue. And then we'll have 5 separate pins where they can walk out this way to lock up when they're on shots. When they're not on shots, they'll walk out that way and eat off the main bunk. So yeah, I opened up this back wall here. It gives 50 more potentially can come in and lock up. It's all coming together really nice. Okay, update. Posts are sitting on the original footer that the wall sits on, and then they're just lag screwed in right now, but they will be bolted with big carriage bolts, and then this will get filled in with concrete, and we will never have to worry about this wall again. Lunchtime. Gonna need some more stone. Now a lot of raking and shoveling in the rain. We're getting there. Slow process for one person. I've rigged up this board with notch there in each end, and I just have to rake or shovel until the board fits under the curb forms. Not terrible, but it's gonna take a while. All right, put some rebar down tomorrow morning and we'll be ready to pour. Looking pretty good.